In this video, we are going to create a project template. To create a project template, you first need to open your company template. So we're going to go find the Logix Estimating folder and open up the company template. Okay, so once you have the application open, you can go into the Project Information tab at the bottom and click on that. And here you're going to fill out specific information about your project. So for example, the project name for this example project is going to be ABC Bank Renovation. And you can fill out the rest of the information. When you get down to the percentages here, these percentages are used throughout the application. For example, in the worksheet, base bid, the alternate tabs, which I'll show you in a minute, and of course the summary tab. So for this example, I'm going to bypass the first three and go into the overhead and profit. I'll put 10% in there for that, and then sales tax will leave at 7, and then the bid bond we'll have that at 10% as well. Okay, so once your project information is all filled in the way you'd like it, you can click on the Sort Fields tab below, and then here you're going to see the alternate section. You want to fill this out for your project. That's project specific. For our example, we're going to have 3 alternates along with our base bid, and as I add an alternate, you're going to see that a tab is created below. So we're going to add alternate 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so we added 3 tabs, alternate 1, alternate 2, and alternate 3. And if you'd like, you can go ahead and fill out the alternate description. It's not required, it just might help you identify what the alternates are. Now, as far as the phases and subphases go, phases and subphases are used to provide a filtering mechanism for your worksheet, so you can filter on these phases or subphases. The custom sort fields, same thing. It's another level of filtering for your worksheet, so you can filter on these items. The phases and subphases you can add and delete as you'd like. So for example, if we want to add an item above this existing conditions, we can just click on the add icon, and that will create a row above existing conditions where you can just simply type in what you'd like. If you want to delete, you can delete a single cell, or you can highlight a whole range by clicking and dragging and then clicking the delete. But we're just going to delete the cell we created, so we'll just click on that cell and delete. So you can do that for phases and subphases. Sort fields, again, another level of filtering and sorting. By default, we have by phase, area, and floor. You can customize those to however you'd like, and you can add as many as you'd like. The add and delete feature works the same as the phase and subphase. So once you've filled in your base bid and alternates, and you've adjusted your phase, subphase, and sort fields, you can go back into the worksheet, and we're just simply going to save this template now. So we want to go under the File menu set here and click on the Save As. Okay, the first thing we want to do here is make sure we're saving as a template. So under the Save As type, we're going to go down and we're going to click on the Excel Macro Enabled Template. You cannot select the Excel template, it will not work. So you want to select the Excel Macro Enabled Template. So we're going to click on that, and then we're going to go to our local or our network location where you want to save your estimates. So I am going to use my Logix Estimating folder, and here I'm going to right click and create a new folder, and I'm going to call it Estimates. You don't have to save to the Logix Estimating folder. You can save to any location, whether that's standalone or network, but I would recommend that you save all of your estimates under one estimates folder. So I'm going to double click on that, and I'm going to right click and create a new folder under the estimates folder called ABC Bank Renovation. Okay, I'm going to open that folder, and now I'm going to change the name of my template to ABC Bank Template. And I have the macro enabled template type. I got my name, I'm in the correct folder, so I'm good to go. I'm going to go ahead and save. Now the beauty of this is that if you have multiple estimators, each taking a piece of one particular project, they can just simply open up the project template. All the alternates are set up already, so all the formatting is there. It's all standard and uniform among all the estimators. There's another feature that I'll show in another tutorial. It's merging estimates. So if you have multiple estimators working on one project, and then at the end, right before bid, you want to combine it into a single project, you can merge those as long as they're all saved in the same folder. So that's why we want to save estimates all in the same folder. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and we'll see you next time.